Samsung is gearing up to unveil a new phone in the premium mid-range segment, and it's called the Galaxy A55. We've got the inside scoop on a bunch of details about this phone, and more leaks are likely to surface before its official debut. A fresh leak from MySmartPrice spills the beans on the Galaxy F55, featuring clear images and a 360 degrees video that gives us a comprehensive look at the phone's design from every angle. Interestingly, the F55 bears a striking resemblance to the Galaxy F54 in terms of overall appearance, but there are some noticeable differences. One standout feature is the flat shape of the phone's frame, a design choice akin to the upcoming Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. People in the know have speculated that both the Galaxy F55 and F35 might boast a metal frame, although the latest leak doesn't spill the beans on that detail. The images suggest that the Galaxy F55 has slimmer borders around the screen compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy F54. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that promotional images might not always accurately represent the actual size of these borders. To confirm if Samsung has addressed the less appealing borders seen in the Galaxy F54, we'll have to wait until we can get our hands on the actual phone. MySmartPrice has also released images of the Galaxy F35, created by OnLeaks using the phone's 3D measurements. This mid-range smartphone is expected to be 161.5 x 77.9 x 8.2 millimeters in size. Notably, there's a slight raised area on the side near the power and volume buttons, similar to what we see in leaked images of the Galaxy F15 and F25. The phone's display features a small hole for the front camera, giving it a modern look, which is an improvement over the Galaxy F34 that had a more outdated U-shaped cutout. In terms of hardware, the Galaxy F55 is making a significant stride. It will be the first mid-range Samsung phone to incorporate the company's Exynos GPUs built on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. While the real-world performance of the Exynos 1480 chip inside the F55 remains uncertain, previous iterations like the Exynos 1380 and the Galaxy F54 didn't leave a lasting impression. However, there's hope that Samsung has put in the work to enhance the performance of the Exynos 1480 in the Galaxy F55. What are your thoughts on the first look of the Galaxy F35 and F55? Share your opinions in the comments section and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, peace out.